Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, actually I'm going to outline exactly what you should start seeing while you're doing your exercises and your studies in your charts. So number one, you need to start seeing that you might start seeing that London session tends to create high or low of the day majority of the time, and you might start also seeing that the weekly highs and lows mainly form on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. And number three, you might start seeing that daily highs or lows form mainly during London session or New York session. Then the bulk of the daily range forms within London session and New York session, meaning that the majority of the move for a specific day tends to form between these two sessions. And another thing you might see is that there's a pattern that repeats every day and every week. So if you study every weekend, you'll start seeing a certain pattern that repeats in the marketplace in terms of time and price. Another thing you might see actually that the market respects time precisely. Sometimes you might find that the high of the day was formed at 12 p.m. or sometimes even at 10 a.m. So that is what I'm talking about when I say that it respects time precisely. And then something else you might see is that after between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. the market will typically enter into a consolidation up until maybe Asian session. So if you have seen any of this in your charts, then it means you're in the right track. But if you still haven't seen any of this, you don't need to worry. You just keep studying. You'll start to see it. And once you see it, you can't unsee. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.